Okay, if you've ever tried doing your own gel nails at home, you know the struggle. That traditional nail glue, right? It's just a
Oh,
mess.
absolutely. Runny, gets everywhere, floods the cuticles. It's a pain.
Exactly. Which is why this UNA Gella solid gel nail glue seems like, well, maybe magic. It promises neatness control.
Right.
So today we're diving into the sources you provided. Is this stuff the secret to long-lasting, easy DIY nails, or is it maybe just sticky hype?
hmm And our mission really is to look past the shiny ads. We need to weigh those promises against, the actual chemistry and what it takes to apply it properly.
Because it sounds like how well it works really comes down to the user.
Completely. The research suggests user diligence is everything here.
Okay, so let's talk innovation. The big deal is the solid texture. You literally scoop it out,
Yeah, like a putty or the thick gel.
and you press it onto the nail tip. That gives you way more control, supposedly. They claim up to 4 weeks hold for soft gel tips.
Right, with a 40 to 60-second cure under a UV or LED lamp. That's pretty standard curing time.
And the appeal, the big upside for people doing this at home is less mess, right? Compared to those runny liquid glues.
Definitely. Cleaner placement is a huge plus. It avoids that flooding issue almost entirely.
But there's a catch.
There's always a catch. You absolutely need the equipment. A good, reliable curing lamp is non-negotiable.
Okay.
And technique matters. You have to apply really careful, even pressure when you put the tip on. Otherwise, you get these tiny air bubbles, micro bubbles,
Ah, and those ruin the adhesion.
instantly. That tip will pop right off, probably within days.
So wait, even with this fancy solid stuff, you're saying bad prep work still ruins it. It doesn't forgive sloppy application.
Not at all. That's what's so interesting. The sources make it clear. Basic nail science still applies, meaning proper nail prep cleaning, buffing, and especially dehydrating the nail plate properly. That's still the absolute foundation. Skip the dehydration step. Forget 4 weeks. You'll be lucky to get 4 days. The solid texture helps with placement, but it can't overcome poor prep.
Okay, so prep is still king. And what about the chemistry? Is it safer because it's solid? Less likely to get on your skin, maybe?
Well, less likely maybe because it's not runny. But if you do get it on your skin, the chemistry hasn't fundamentally changed.
Right.
Let's shift gears to that. This isn't some magic formula. It's based on common nail adhesive components, acrylates, cyanoacrylates, photoinitiators, reactive stuff,
Which means?
which means the risk of sensitization is still very real if uncured gel touches your skin repeatedly.
You can develop an allergy.
Exactly. And those allergies can be permanent, potentially preventing you from using any acrylate-based nail products ever again, or even reacting to related chemicals in dentistry or medicine.
Wow, so safety is all about application.
100%. Careful application, avoiding skin contact completely, good ventilation.
Yeah.
It's crucial. This stuff demands respect. If you're sloppy, it can bite back eventually.
That's a really important takeaway. If you know you have sensitive skin, or maybe you're just kind of lampshy-like, you don't want to invest in a proper lamp or learn to use it right.
Then the sources suggest maybe sticking with adhesive tabs, or perhaps a traditional base gel method where you have more established safety protocols.
Yeah, probably wise. Don't risk the irritation or a potential allergy just for convenience.
Let's pivot slightly to the company itself, UNA GELLA. The sources point to it being a classic marketplace brand, right? Sold mainly on Amazon, address listed in Guangzhou.
Yep, with a U.S. trademark. That's a very common structure we see now. Direct import, optimized for platform sales, often very price competitive.
So what does that mean for you, the buyer?
It primarily means your customer service experience, returns, delivery issues, that sort of thing. It's handled by the platform first, Amazon in this case.
Okay, so Amazon's policies apply.
Right. Which can be good for quick returns sometimes, but it also means the brand itself might have less direct accountability or robust support infrastructure. And this market structure leads to, well, confusion.
How so?
Because this niche, these types of products, they are flooded with lookalikes, copycats, different brand names on identical tubs, reused photos. It's rampant.
So the big warning from the research is, be vigilant. Really check the seller, check the listing, make sure you're getting the actual UNA GELLA product if that's what you want, and not a knockoff.
Okay, so wrapping this up. The verdict on UNA GELLA solid glue seems mixed, but maybe leaning positive for the right person.
I'd say that's fair. It seems legit, performs as advertised, if you are a careful, disciplined DIY user.
Someone who prioritizes neatness, understands prep, and is willing to invest in the right curing lamp and technique.
Exactly. If that's you, the competitive price point makes it quite attractive.
But that leaves us with a final thought, something for you to consider. We've established the core safety issue is avoiding skin contact to prevent sensitization, right? These are reactive chemicals needing careful handling.
Mm-hmm. Strict protocols, really.
Yet, these products are sold easily, widely, through huge online marketplaces directly to amateur users. So what's the real long-term cost here beyond that, say, $15 or $20 price tag, when a product's safety relies entirely on an amateur perfectly following professional-level chemical handling rules every single time?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Yeah. Something to think about.